Convection is when heat passes from the hot part of a solid object to the cold part. I can feel the saucepan becoming hot on the stove top. In my experiment, I would like to test how much ice melts. If the ice melts quickly, then the material is a conductor, which means it lets heat pass through. And if the ice melts slowly, then it's an insulator. That means it stops heat from passing through. I predict that metal will be the best conductor because we use metal saucepans for cooking. I also predict that foam will be the best insulator because when I hold a foam cup full of hot water, I don't get burnt. Now I will start my experiment. So I'll write down where we started. Ice melts because the heat comes from the air and the materials that are touching the ice too. Heat always moves from hot to cold. The experiment went for 5 minutes. I found out that the best insulator was foam and the worst insulator was slate. I predicted that foam would be the best insulator, which was correct. I found out the best conductor was slate and the worst conductor was foam. My prediction was metal, which was incorrect. I need to repeat the experiment a few more times so that the results are reliable. Convection is when heat flows from the hot part in a liquid or gas to the cold part. I can feel the hot water in the bathtub flow down to the other end. Now I'll start my experiment. The temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. I'll write it down. I'll put this container up here. I like to test to see the hot steam transfer heat to the water up here. Now I will add a drop of red food colouring over the hot end. Let's time how long the red food colouring moves from the hot to the cold end. This is called convection current. It took 1 minute and 4 seconds. I want to test with ice at the other end. I predict that this will be faster. I can see that the blue food colouring is sinking down because it is cold, and the red food colouring is rising because it is hot. It took 58 seconds. My prediction was correct. My name is Lian M. I'm 8 years old. I entered this competition because I like science. I love doing experiments and I like learning new things each day. I have learned that heat moves between different objects. I have also learned about conductors, insulators, and convection current.